From the 20th of July, Sakura Channel will show you Niigata, Nagano, Toyama, and Yamanashi. Niigata is known for its delicious rice, sake, and beautiful coastal scenery. Nagano is renowned for its stunning mountains, ski resorts, and hot springs. Toyama offers breathtaking natural landscapes, including the Tatemakurub alpine route. Yamanashi is famous for its wineries, fruit orchards, and hot springs. It provides excellent views of Mount Fuji and offers a variety of outdoor activities. Enjoy Japan at www.sakuratv.com.
Experience the best of Japan with Sakura TV's free streaming service. Simply visit sakuratv.com and tap to start enjoying. Whether you're at a cafe, on a train or bus, during lunchtime, at school, or in the comfort of your home, immerse yourself in planning your next trip to Japan.
Watch Sakura TV today by simply visiting sakuratv.com. It's completely free.